What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I have been gone for a minute, but I am back with a makeup video. I actually have not done this in a minute, but I wanted to come on here because I got something that I really want to try, and it's a funny, well, not really funny, but I'll tell you how I ended up trying this. But before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I post new videos. And do not forget to follow me on social media. Alright guys, so we are going to do a foundation try on. Like, I personally love foundations. I love actually putting foundation on more than I doing, well, no. I like putting on foundation and I like concealer. I don't know, I like the way it applies. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm weird like that. But I do love foundation. And I have been trying to find the right shades. As far as summer shades, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop is still my top. I love that great summer shade in Cocoa. But as far as winter shade, I'm trying to find something that matches my skin tone. Because in the winter, you do get a little lighter. So the Cocoa is not working for me right now. But I found a foundation that I am so excited to try. And how I found this foundation was on Instagram. Alright guys, so I am talking about Makiage, and I had to come on YouTube to figure out how to pronounce his name. How I found this company was I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw foundation. When I see foundation, I automatically stop because I gotta look at it, I gotta examine, I gotta see what's going on with it, right? So it said, try free for 14 days. If you do not like it, return it. I'm very frugal. I told you guys that many times. So I was like, okay, let me see what they got going on. So I go onto the website, click on the ad, and it takes me to the site of Makiage. Never heard of them before. Don't know where they came from. Never ever heard of these people. But I was asked to take a quiz because they want to know exactly, you know, what type of foundation might match your skin tone. So they ask questions like, you know, is your skin mostly dry, combination oily, what's your undertone? If you don't know your undertone, they ask you like, do you look better in silver or gold jewelry? Well, I was given the foundation with all of my information that I provided. I was given the foundation 215. And this is the box. It's very minimalistic to me. Alright, so it came in this package. And I thought it was really extra, to be honest. And this is how it came. Like, I like the packaging. I like that it's upright. It's not like easy to break. I liked it, but I still felt like it was extra. But this is how it looks. So, really nice packaging, nice glass. This is basically a high standards company. So it said this is what high standards look like. Foundation, this is the most important piece in your beauty routine. Yada yada yada. So when I ordered it, all I paid was shipping. The shipping was $5. You have 14 days to return it if it does not match your skin. Now, I don't know when I got this, but I think my 14 days is up and I have not even tried this foundation yet. But all in all, the regular price of this foundation is $41. Bitch, that is entirely too much money for me. Okay, so I hope my 14 days ain't up. Well, we'll see how it looks first before I even return it, because I'm the type of person that even if I like it, I'm just gonna return it because you know. That is a good thing. What I saw about this company, they have 50 shades of foundation, so you are liable to find your shade or find something as close to it as possible. So I thought that was a good thing. It said 50 shades for all skin tones, natural matte finish, buildable, medium to high coverage, second skin feel, 100% cruelty free, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid for hydration and anti-aging. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin, and I'm going to put on the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And let's see how this thing works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use my rounded Morphe brush. This is M439. It's a little dirty, but don't mind that. And let's shake up this foundation. You have to actually shake it up. So, and I don't know if this oxidizes because, like I said, it looks a little light. So I don't know how this is gonna look on me. Ooh. As far as the smell, I do not like the smell. It smells manufactured. I don't like the smell, but we'll see. Okay. Ooh, girl, this is kind of light. This is a little too light. So this is just 2 pumps. The coverage is actually pretty nice because my nose has some dark spots on the side and it covered that really nice. So what this smell like? Oh God, I don't know. It smells like something I don't like. See, this is not full coverage. I need to put on more. Alright, so first impression. I feel like it's too light. That's the first thing. I feel like it's too light for my skin. It doesn't give my skin any kind of oomph. It looks too light and it looks too neutral. It doesn't quite have a matte finish. Maybe it just needs to sit for a second. I don't know. Doesn't really have quite a matte finish, but it's not, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, so I don't know. But I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup. I'm going to come right back and then we'll see the final look. I want to see if it plays well with other products and I will come right back. Alright y'all, so I have applied my makeup. Let me tell y'all something. So I was sitting here applying my makeup, right? I went ahead and went on Makiage's website and returned it. The reason I returned it, to be honest, 2 things. I feel like the foundation is a little bit light. Yeah, it feels light. I don't know if it's coming off on camera that way, but it feels a little light to me. It looks a little light to me. And the second thing is, this shit is itching my face, okay? I am developing bumps on the side of my face. I don't know if you guys can see it. This thing is burning. I don't know what it is. And I don't, you know what? I'm not even going to say that it is. Maybe my skin does not react well with this. I don't know what's in here that is making my skin itch. Oh God. Whew. As far as, I gotta wash this off. But as far as the foundation, I think the foundation is nice. It would be better if it did not itch. And if it was in a more deeper shade or a more yellow golden shade. As far as the skin length feel, it does feel matte. Second skin, I wouldn't say that, but it's not a bad foundation. I think the price is a little too much for the foundation. I do like the packaging, but I kind of feel like you're paying more for the packaging than the foundation. But I like the concept of the company. I like what they're doing. They've been around for a long time. I just had never heard of them. They're based out of New York. So I think there's stores in New York that you can actually go to. I'm in Atlanta. We don't have stores that I know of. But would I try this again? Probably not, because I don't know what's in this that is making me itch. You see, I'm just like itching all over. I don't know what's in this that's making me itch, but it is a no for me, okay? It might work out for you, but I have really sensitive skin, so that's probably what it is. There's something in this that is reacting badly with my skin. Okay, whew. Okay, I want to wash this off. I don't know what's in this that is reacting badly to my skin, but this is not a match for me. It is not. But as far as the foundation, I think it's a really nice foundation. Ain't for me. But anyways, that is my slight review on, oh God. That's my review on my Makiage Woke Up Like This 215 foundation. No, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.